Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Kabbsa or chicken with rice and a special sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 6 chicken drums. It's around 1.5 kg. You can use any part of the chicken. 2 cups of rice, rinsed and left in soak for around 20 minutes. 1 big tomato cut in small pieces. 1 big onion cut in julienne. A little bit of green bell pepper cut in small pieces too. 2 spoons of ghee, or you can use margarine. 3 garlic cloves cut in small pieces. We also gonna need 2 big spoons of vegetable oil, 1 spoon of tomato sauce, 1 spoon of curcuma, half spoon of dry coriander, half spoon of ground cloves, half spoon of black pepper, half spoon of sweet paprika, 1 spoon of curry, half spoon of cumin, and finally the salt. And the dry spices we have here: 2 dry lemons, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 foil of lard, and some cardamom. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to prepare our dish today. On a pot over the stove, put 2 spoons of vegetable oil and the 2 spoons of ghee or margarine. Then add the onion and the garlic over it. Mix all together and leave it until the onion changes its color, like you see in the video. When the onion gets the golden color, add the chicken over it and all the spices that we have too. Mix all together and keep moving the chicken until it changes its color. That's gonna take around 15 minutes. After that, add the tomato, the bell pepper, and the salt, and the tomato sauce. Then add a hot water over it. Cover the pot and leave the chicken cooking for around 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's do our sauce. To make the sauce, we need 1 big tomato, a small onion, 2 garlic cloves, all cut in small pieces. Then we're gonna need a little bit of green parsley, 1 spoon of apple vinegar, 1 spoon of tomato sauce, and 1 spoon of olive oil. We also gonna put 1 spoon of curry and some salt. Put everything in the food processor and mold it up. And this is the final look for our sauce. Back to our chicken. When it's done, take it out of the pot and take out all the dry spices like the dry lemon, the cinnamon stick, laurel, and the cardamom. Then add the rice on it. If you see that the broth is too much, take a little bit out of it. Remember, we need 2 centimeters of water over the rice. Add a little bit of vegetable oil over our chicken and put it in the oven to toast it. After the rice absorbed most of the broth that we put over it, turn the heat down, cover the pot, and leave it cooking for around 20 minutes. And this is our rice after we finish. Put some of it on a plate with the chicken over it, companion with the sauce that we made. My friends, this is all for today. We made Kabbsa with chicken because you can do it with meat too. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.